Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to thanks for giving this wonderful opportunity to us. Our problem statement is AG003. Farmers across India face the challenge of spurious seeds. According to government sources, 70% to 80% of seeds sold in the market are of low productivity. This causes huge stress on the farm output and put the farmers in distress. So we came up with the solution of creating a web app which will be helpful to the farmer to overcome the inferior quality of seeds, fertilizers, etc. In the first interface, we have create sign in and sign up form. In case of new user, they have to fill the sign up form. In such cases, the farmer, the shopkeeper, the government official have to fill up their respective form. Then the unique username and password will be generated to them. After sign up, they can sign in by using own username and password. In case of farmers login, the first interface will be previously purchased bill, which will be useful for the farmer to evaluate the investment and profit gained from it. In the second interface of farmer, we have facilitated the farmer to report about the shop to the government officials. In the reason text area of this interface, the farmer can give the reason about their feed rate in the productivity by using low quality products such as low quality seeds, fertilizers, etc. After completing the process, when the farmer click on the submit button, the report will be sent to the corresponding government officials. In the last interface of the farmer, we have created the rating option, in which the farmer can create the government official based on the step taken by them towards the report. This rating option will ensure that the government official is working effectively. Based on the rating, the government official will be provided with intensives. In case of shopkeeper's login, the shopkeeper can generate the bill in this interface for the farmer's purchase. Then the copy of the bill will be added in the farmer's interface. These bills will act as an evidence in case the farmer report about the shop. The government officials interface is the last interface of this web app. This interface contains the only one division called report list, which contains the details of the farmers and the shop reported by them. Based on this report, the government official can take the necessary action. By this web app, the farmers can easily interact with the government officials and report their problems. This web app ensures the farmers about action taken by the government officials towards the report. Finally, we conclude this kind of web app has future scope. Here is our code for this web app. It was the HTML code for the sign and sign up page. It was the JavaScript code for signing and sign up page. It was the complete CSS coding for the sign in and sign up page. It was the HTML and JavaScript coding for the farmer's interface. It was the HTML and JavaScript coding for shopkeepers interface. It was the HTML and JavaScript coding for government officials interface. It was the CSS page for farmer, shopkeeper, government officials page. Thank you everyone.